My name is Terry Donnelly, and I'm the chairman and CEO of Hill Street Beverage Company. Hill Street is a provider of alcohol-free adult format beverages, and in the next few minutes, I will walk you through our newest opportunity, infusing cannabis into our beverages. Before I get started, I'm going to point to our disclosure here as it concerns forward-looking statements. I will also highlight the fact that the comments which follow are as of August 31st, 2018, and the company does not intend and does not assume any obligation to update these forward-looking statements other than as may be required by applicable law. Hill Street's ticker is beer, and it's listed on the TSX Venture Exchange. Basic information about the company's share structure and trading is presented as of the date cited. October 2019 is the scheduled date for the planned legalization of cannabis-infused edibles. While there are many products that can be hosts to cannabis, we believe adult format beverages make the most sense. Why? First of all, the bottle shape and taste profile of wines and beers are already established formats that are well understood as not being suitable for children. Compare this to brownies or cookies or other treats. Second, adult format beverages are already well established as means for adults to share a social experience. Third, by using adult format products as a template, the cannabis dose that replaces the alcohol could conceivably mimic the onset and duration of effect that one would typically experience with a similar amount of beverage alcohol. This would allow consumers to quickly determine duration of effect using a cannabis-infused drink's alcohol equivalent. Last of all, our products will have fewer calories and none of the negative effects associated with the consumption of alcohol. In states where cannabis has been legalized, beverage alcohol sales have suffered declines from 12 to 20%, leading well-known beverage alcohol companies to state that legal cannabis is a risk to their businesses. In Canada, one of the most progressive countries in the world for cannabis legalization, the federal government has put in place two rules which make it difficult for big alcohol to use their traditional playbook for growing volume. One, cannabis-infused drinks cannot contain alcohol, and two, cannabis-infused brands cannot be advertised. Removing alcohol from beer and wine changes the taste. So it's not simply a case of taking a beverage alcohol brand with significant market share and suddenly producing another version with cannabis. The cannabis-infused version will taste very different. Also, based on marketing case history, there's a strong possibility that many of the consumers of the original version will trial the cannabis-infused version, which may lead to volume cannibalization. The real opportunity in this new world is to build new brands that compete on taste and that are perceived by consumers to be relevant to them. Evidence that big alcohol is concerned about the pending legalization of cannabis can be found in recent news from Molson Coors, as well as Constellation Brands, an international producer and marketer of beer, wine, and spirits with annual revenue in excess of US $6 billion. We believe Hill Street is an attractive investment option. Our management team and board features deep and wide experience in beverages and cannabis, as well as in digital marketing, which we believe to be critical to brand success given the prohibition on advertising. Hill Street has exclusive brand agreements with a growing number of well-recognized health and charity brands that will be used to increase the company's level of awareness in the marketplace. Our products are award-winning in blind taste tests within their respective categories and are currently available in around 4,000 locations, including Loblaws, Sobeys, and Shoppers Drug Mart. So it's not just us telling you that our products taste good. When it came to choosing a provider of cannabis infusion technology, after reviewing more than a dozen providers, we ultimately selected Lexaria because it was the only company capable of rendering full-spectrum cannabis tasteless and odorless. We now have one of 6 licenses available for the Canadian marketplace. Over the coming months, we expect to significantly increase our production capacity for beer, and we will announce more partner agreements as well as an investment relationship with a major licensed producer. Before the end of the year, we plan to demonstrate proof of concept with cannabis-infused products. We expect our processing license to be awarded to us sometime around the end of March 2019. Looking at valuation, Hill Street's market capitalization places it in the bottom of publicly traded Canadian cannabis stocks. In summary, we believe the end of prohibition on cannabis provides Hill Street with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We have award-winning products in a format we believe is best suited as a cannabis host, and we have deep bench strength in our management team and board. For investors, we are pleased to state that our short-term goals, while significant, are achievable and will provide tangible progress toward our ultimate goal of being ready for October 2019 with a suite of delicious adult format beverages that are widely available. Thank you, and stay tuned.